The opening of the second phase of Kajaki Dam, which produces 100 megawatts of electricity. And now, Alhamdulillah, the electricity problem of Kandahar and Helmand have been solved with it. Establishing an electronic system for collecting government revenue. Now, Alhamdulillah, the revenue is deposited into Afghanistan Treasury with full transparency. The important thing for the economic stability of a country is security and have a strong determination for economic development. Alhamdulillah, peace has been established in the entire country with the arrival of the new government, and there is a strong determination for economic development in the current system. In the last 1 year, the new government have done that amount of work for the country's development which hasn't been done in the past several years. In many of his speeches, the Deputy Minister for Economic Affairs assures the nation that in the near future, the economic situation of the country will get back to normal. Job opportunities will be provided for the people and will have a good income. Job opportunities will be provided to the people and will have a good income.